Hugh here from Day Trade Spy. So today I want to talk to you about a couple of things. First of all, the meltdown in the tech sector caused by Meta Platforms Inc., which is better known as Facebook. Facebook had a nice little high a couple of days ago of over $336. Today, Friday, it's trading at around $230. That's a drop of about 31, a little over 31%. And in fact, they lost, that stock's drop, of course, was pivotal for some other tech stocks. Between that and Spotify and PayPal, I think they lost about $230 billion in a single day. What I'm saying here is that the volatility is getting very high, and it's going to be high as the Feds bring in higher interest rates. Because what that's going to do is going to slow down the economy, and then something as sensitive as the tech stocks, which are overpriced, overvalued rather, they are going to be the first to go. Investors are going to move money from the tech sector over into safer harbors, right? So you have to watch for that. Now, that is the reason, and I'm going to segue into the second segment of this session here, and that is that the reason we like to trade SPY options is because we're not affected by that volatility as much. We're on a very short string here, very short leash. So what happens in the short term, that's how we're going to capitalize on. All right. In other words, day trade, get in, get out. I don't think anybody knows where the market's going to go, a week from now, a month from now, or a year from now. But I think we got a pretty good idea where it's going to go today. And that is the value of what we do. We can generally judge by what's going to happen today with the market, and that's why we like to get in and out. Now, a couple of years ago, actually, one of our participants, Kevin, asked me about this, and we talked about what he should do. And I said, why don't you try scalping? Now, I haven't exactly lost touch with Kevin, but I can tell you something. He emailed me a couple of days ago. I'm just going to read you a segment of the email. He says, "Hi, Hugh. I hope all is going well. I just thought I'd touch base and hoping that you had as much fun with last week's trading as I did. I don't trade every day or even every week, but last week's movement was irresistible, and anytime Jay Powell speaks, you know there will be plenty to play with." Then he goes on to update me about what he's doing. He's actually scalping trades just the way we showed him, and he's doing anywhere from 25 to 100 a day when he does it. Doesn't do it every day, but he's generally in 50 to 60% of the time, getting in and out within 60 to 90 seconds. So he's going for a very small gain, putting in a lot of money, somewhere around $5,000 to $7,000, picking up a few cents, getting in, getting out, doing this multiple times a day. He's doing incredibly well. Now, the last time I talked to him, he's actually building a house in the Caribbean somewhere, and he updated me on that one too. He says, "I've enjoyed developing a special niche and technique that works very well for me, albeit very concentrated and not everyone's cup of tea. I also love knowing I can close my trade and walk away at any moment and not have to worry about what the market will do when I'm not looking. There are too many other things to do. We are hoping to finish our Caribbean property project in the next year or so we can be on the island full time. But for now, we are enjoying the world of traveling, opening back up, off to Mexico this week and on to French Polynesia and Bali after that. Take care and wishing you continued success." Kevin, I got to congratulate you on an incredible journey. I know you quit your job in the corporate world in the U.S. and now you're enjoying what's left of your life, which I'm sure is a lot of years, you and your wife and your family on a Caribbean island. And for that, I thank you for your keeping me posted. And again, congratulations. And listen, folks, if you want to know more about this information that I'm giving out here, just click on the link here, sign up. We'd be really happy to talk to you. Have a good weekend, folks.